beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do want to like this video, subscribe and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So on this channel, what we do basically is to share financial tips on how you can make money online, share reasonable advice on how you can upscale your financial life. And if this looks like something you like, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. So guys, in this video today I'll be talking about 5 side hustles that you can do from wherever you are in the world and start making money online. Now those 5 side hustles, their payment methods are either Payoneer, PayPal or Skrill, depending on your country or your nationality. So some of you know me, I don't side talk, I don't do all of those things. I'll tell you the way it is. The number one thing on the list is to start a YouTube channel. Hey God, oh, if you have not done anything this year, if you don't believe anything I'm telling you, see this YouTube thing, believe it. Start a channel. It doesn't matter the niche or whatever channel you're starting. Browse about niche. Niche is what you intend to create your content about. Maybe you want to create a travel vlog, or maybe you're good with makeup, you want to start doing a makeup vlog or there and there, or maybe you're good with cooking and you want to start teaching people online how to cook. Just start a YouTube channel, and there are some tools online that can help you succeed. Don't say I don't mention it. You can download vidIQ or TubeBuddy to help you upscale your YouTube game as a beginner. So the next thing we'll be talking about here is Skillshare. You can teach a class on Skillshare. Hey, Skillshare did not sponsor this video, although I wouldn't mind if they sponsored the video, but they didn't sponsor this video. But this is just me telling you that you can actually make money on Skillshare. If you have a skill that you want to share on Skillshare, sign up and start doing that. But before you do that, their method of teaching or classes is actually through videos. So you can browse about their websites, go through their website, see the type of videos they have on their website and what you intend to create. Just make sure that the video is loud and clear, like people can hear whatever you are trying to say in that video. Then take at least 2 weeks to browse about the skill you want to teach or whatever you want to make a video about. Take 2 weeks to browse about it. You can also use another 2 weeks to create that content. Make sure that the video is clear. What I mean clear, I mean crystal clear. Then you start uploading your content on Skillshare. The next one, which is number 3, is sell your content on Adobe Stock. Now Adobe Stock, you can sell images. Now take a look at this beautiful flower. These flowers like this, I have it as nature. I have it as nature on Adobe Stock, and people are downloading it. So once they download it, you get paid. I can create a video about this padlock like this. I will lock it like this, and then I will open it again and I will upload it on Adobe or any Pixabay or any of those things and get paid. I can snap something like this. I can even snap just a pen. You understand? I will snap it, take it onto Canva, remove the background, give it a fine background, edit the color. You see this red like this, it will shine, and then I will upload it on Adobe Stock. And once anybody downloads that image, I get paid. And mind you, Adobe Stock is free to sign up, and you don't even need any investment to sign up on Adobe. All you need is a good phone and maybe objects or things around that you want to snap. You can snap yourself, upload your image, but I will tell you for one that objects or nature like these flowers and the pots, you understand, they sell very well on Adobe Stock. The next one we have here is video editing. So you know how to edit a video. Hey God, oh, and you have not signed up on people per hour. Video editing is just you tweaking, putting transition, animation, effect on videos. If you want to learn it, there is a course on MindLuster about video editing. There is a course on HubSpot about video editing. You can take those classes and see where you can start with. And mind you, if you are a beginner, a complete beginner, I would advise you start with CapCut or InVideo. CapCut or InVideo is your go to if you are a complete beginner. And mind you, CapCut did not sponsor this video, neither the InVideo too did not sponsor this video, but I know for a starter these are the places you can upscale your skill, like you can upgrade your skills. You can also sign up on Upwork, on Topaz, on LinkedIn, or People Per Hour to start making money as a video editor. Now the fifth one is starting a blog or a website. Now a lot of people actually think that blogs are outdated. It is not. You get, if you are good with writing, rather, I know that I have a lot of article writers on this page, I have a lot of bloggers on this page. Please go on blogger.com. Blogger.com is free to sign up, to start putting out your articles. Just make sure that they are not AI generated articles, like they are real articles. The next one is to make sure that you get a domain. Now you can get a domain from GoDaddy, from Bluehost. Now these domains you have to pay, some tokens. I think for Bluehost it is $2 a month. Now for GoDaddy I think is $2 as well, I'm not sure, a month. Then there is this one that is very, very cheap. I think cheapdomain.com or something like that. You can sign up and buy the domain from them. Now the way you will make money with your website or your blog is by monetizing it. Yes, you heard me right. AdSense will pay you to put ads on those articles, so that when people read your articles and they see the ads, you get paid. Now these are 5 side hustles that you can do. If you do not have the time, you can create videos at midnight. You can write blog posts at midnight. You can record your video for Skillshare at midnight. You can upload your content on Adobe stock at midnight. You can do video editing at midnight. So if you do not have time during the day, these are actually side hustles that you can do at midnight and start making money. And that is why I call them the best side hustles so far, because this thing do not affect your daytime job and what you do in the daytime. You understand? Believe you me, if you are trying to make money online, you need to reduce the time you sleep. The time you used to eat, you need to reduce it. Yes, there is no food for a lazy man. So if you sleep 10 hours, reduce your sleeping time to maybe 7 or 8 hours. The rest 2 hours you use it to work on yourself. Maybe learn a skill, start a YouTube channel, learn about video editing, start a blog, sell content on Adobe. Whichever one you choose, these side hustles will actually bring in money into your account, whether you like it or not. There are some side hustles like this selling of Adobe content. You can be making maybe like 50k in a month or 100. On a blog, if you are monetized, you can make up to like 1 million. On YouTube also, if you are monetized and you are getting enough views, you can make up to like 2 million, 1 million, 50,000, 100k, depending on how good your videos are on YouTube. So believe you me, these are side hustles that you can do that would not affect your main job or your lifestyle. With that being said, guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out any of these side hustles, or if any of these side hustles are side hustles that you've tried out and you maybe do not like them or something like that. Let me know in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.